How to get student discount on Amazon Prime. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can get student discount on Amazon Prime. So just go ahead and search for Amazon Prime student. Just click the first one to come up. Now that we are here, you want to go ahead and click try Prime student. And after that, you will be redirected here. And what you're going to do is just enter your details like your university name and all that. Just put your name and last name and your birth date. Once done, go over and scroll down. And from here, just go ahead and put your card details. After doing all the steps, you'll be able to get the student discount on Amazon Prime. And that's how you get student discount on Amazon Prime. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.